Hello, and my first vlog, my first video for a long time. I'm back on the Dakar train. So there's the bike from last year. It's looking a bit sorry for itself, but yeah, I'm back. I've entered again for 2021. Hopefully, fingers crossed, with COVID and everything, it will run, who knows, but I'm prepared and I'm getting ready. So this is the first of many vlogs of me getting ready for Dakar 2021. Exciting. Today is a little bit of a garage day. We're gonna get bikes ready, and a few friends have come down and we're gonna go riding motorbikes. So good day to start off training. Well, start off. COVID happened. I've been doing a little bit now and again, so I'm feeling good. Shoulders okay, just okay. Physio didn't quite happen the way I wanted it to, but I'm sure it will all come out and I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm not going to waffle on. I'm going to get bikes ready. I'm actually getting my bike here ready. The Husky 450, which I trained on last year, did like dawn to dusk, all the British Championship stuff I could do. It's looking a bit sorry for itself, needs a little bit of love. So does the Dakar bike, so may as well start working on them and get them ready to ride and go have fun. So for all you van fans, last year I was obviously driving a lot, doing a hell of a lot of miles in the trusty Transporter, the T4. It's still going, and it's only going thanks to Martin Wilkins at the Clutch and Service Centre in Kidderminster. So thank you very much, Martin. He's given it a lot of love, so it's yeah, you'll see me driving it a lot again. But yeah, she's still going. 280,000 miles. I bought it with 30,000 miles. She needs a bit of love cosmetically, but we're good. Bit of a fork service going on, servicing these bad boys up, and EBC have given me a bracket to test, which is cool. Yeah, fork seals, dust seals, brushes. Back in the trusty van, off riding. Yay! Gonna go for a ride now. That boy, some boy. Jay's a fucking good rider. Excuse my French. Oh no! Oh no! I will cut that out, I promise. Oh, no. Do it again. I won't put it in. Honest, I promise. So that's it. Sun's going down. Fair few hours riding, and always a good time on a motorbike. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and tell all your friends, because I need the help. I'm going Dakar 21 and really need the help. So subscribe, share, like, and if you like the videos, I'll try and do one once a week, twice a week, every day if it's really good. Thank you.